Well, we got another package, or let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from SARCO Inc. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. SARCO Inc. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. Let's see how we can get this open. I'm thinking of actually coming through the top direction with this one. A lot of reinforced tape. Okay, it looks like we got some packing peanuts too. Well, we're going to have those in today's video. And let's pull out everything. I think that's it. I also found a manifest on the side of the box. So again, these came from SARCO Inc. You can see that. That's a little blurry. Let's see what we got here. Let's go with this one first. These are really taped up. Okay, so a number of things here. Going by the manifest, some of these are multiple items. These are magazine dust covers, AR15/M16. So we got 6 of those. You can take a look at those, how they have that contour to fit. Plus, we have, looks like 4 AR15/M16 muzzle caps. These don't seem to have a manufacturer marking on them, so kind of generic. Sometimes they'll have a manufacturer marking. This in a separate envelope. Let's go ahead and open this. It's actually stapled. Oh, okay. So this is AR15/M16 flash hider washer, but notice this style. So it's kind of the one that crushes down onto the cut edges. So predates the kind of funnel-shaped crush washer. So got that. And then we have this paper-wrapped item. Destroying the paper here. Alright, so we got a bunch of stuff here. They packaged together. 2 things. The simpler one is an AR15 M16 Delta Ring Wrench Handguard Removal Tool. Let's see here. I'm trying to think. It does feel like it's metal and then plastic rubberized material on the outside prevents scratching. You see that there, and the pry surface. And then last but not least, M4 AR15 16-inch barrel complete. So let's take a closer look at this. 16-inch barrel, closed bottom flash hider. We do have some markings on the barrel, 5.56 NATO, 1 in 8 twist, it looks like, according to that. You can see here the profile. And forge markings on this particular one. Interesting. And on this side, it is F marked. And looks like M4 feed ramps. And it does have a Delta ring ready to go. So AR15 M4 16-inch barrel complete. Working our way backwards. Similarly, AR15 M16 Delta ring wrench handguard removal tool. We also had this little AR15 M16 flash hider washer. And then we had a set of these, 4 of these kind of generic AR15 M16 muzzle caps, and 6 of these AR15 M16 magazine dust covers. And again, these all came from SARCO Inc. So feel free to check them out. Large variety of items, SARCO Inc. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos of more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.